All right, well, thank you for joining us. This is a very quick introduction to scientific notation. So hopefully you know this packet or know where these problems are coming from. It should be linked below on our class website. So the scientific notation, really right now, the easiest thing to do, and I just want you to know how to hit second psi. If you can put your calculator in scientific notation mode, then you can, here, watch that again. Then you can do all these problems. All right. So hit second SCI, and then you'll look for that little SCI, tab over. Watch that again. Be able to put it in scientific notation mode. Okay. Scientific notation. Second psi, tab over, hit equals. The little SCI shows up on your display, and then all you have to do is you just have to type in these numbers, and then hit equals. And write down what it says. It's that easy. Type in the number, hit equals, write down what it says. That's all we're doing. All right. But you have to be in scientific notation mode for that to happen. That's all there is to it. Now, the skill that we want is we're going to come across numbers that are just regular numbers, and we'll also come across numbers written with the exponential or the scientific notation. So if you have one of these same calculators that we give you in class, hopefully you can put it in that mode and just do it. Now the other way, it's counting decimal points or decimal places, or actually you're counting place values of 10. And that's so when you multiply by this number of factors of 10, it's how many place values did you move the exponent. So those are all big numbers. Now the back page, these are all small numbers. But same thing, if you're in scientific notation mode, just hit it. Now, when our numbers are less than 1, your exponent, you're dividing by 10, really. So you're getting a negative exponents, is how I think of it. But once again, if you're in the right mode, all you got to do is type in the number, hit equals. It could not be any easier. But you also counting decimal places is a good skill. Just kind of give you that idea of how big or small the numbers are. All right, but yeah, this could not be any easier. Just hit the number equals and just write down what is displayed. You have to be in scientific notation mode for that. This last set, I kind of like those just because it's the same number in sense out in front. So scientific notation, it's always a digit, a decimal point, and then the rest of the digits, and then we write the exponent of 10 that's equal to that. So really, remember, these are all equal to each other. That's what we're doing here. We're saying that all of these problems, you're setting those, what I'm writing is equal to the number that's there. All right, these are all equal to each other. But once again, the reason I kind of like those last few is you kind of see how the exponents of 10 progress as your numbers get bigger. Ooh, I made a mistake. Yeah, I can't count. That is 10 to the, that's 6.7 times 10 is 67. 6.7 times 100 is 670. There we go. Now I'm back on. And this one would be, I believe, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. If you go back to that cabbage juice activity, first day of school, we kind of introduced those exponents there. Anyway, thank you. I hope scientific notation was easy for you.